You know that he entered the car and counted the money. So it's the paparazzi, if I call it so.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana TV3 Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications. Anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Lawyer Martin Kpebu is in trouble. Asempe nipa ni wan se Lawyer Martin Kpebu. Obian suma. Wa na wope wasem. Adenya. Sami Jemfi sensema obi akebia obi akase o. Sami Jemfi wanye ni ye. Ebeye kra John Mahama His Excellency all you need na we there enchai ko bi super cho say Sami Jemfi no akra be pa cho say there be wanye ni ye yen fan chen ya chin we ya chin clear yen fan chen afi yen ko ti Lawyer Martin Kpebu kwan de o si there be Sami Jemfi onye hwie na Sami Jemfi no onu ani ka mu na ote enti otine kam no ena obi di phone abecha no video enti se beye kra ye na ye se yen pa yen ko pa cha Sami Jemfi acho se yanye ni ye na se yen ka ni ye enti o ka sem no wie no ena ye dia ba social media and people are commenting enti munum se asem bi say see there ye the comments no brem wenye sa enti yen ko comments nim Achu Deladem Podolo says that noise. Fakob Matuk says that Madam Cecilia Dakpa's house was a public place, right? Hypocrite. Bernard Asamoah says that Cecilia Dakpa money was found in the public space. Abi? Sylvester Eshen says that I guess Cecilia Dakpa's money was hanging at the Accra Sports Stadium. Moi. Freeman says that I wonder how people are making a case over this thing. The guy sits in his car and offered a gift, but somebody goes to record his private affair, and now people are saying appointees shouldn't give gifts. Are we now changing our culture because it is Sami Jemfi? Let's be serious here. Why? No problem. Ora Amankwa Kweku JC says that, see nonsense. If this happened at Akufo-Addo, you would have come to sit here and talk nonsense with your heart like Kung Lao. Belinda says that Cecilia Dankpa counted her money openly on Tema motorway. Bulu. Duku Anthony says that, so Cecilia Dankpa was counting the money on Tema motorway. You will be disgraced one day after. You will be disgraced one after the other. God will punish you. Abrante Piquet says that whenever I see his hat, it reminds me of one man living in my area who never made a wise statement.
That's looking on him. I think we should start the analysis from that point. He entered the car. He didn't stand publicly to count the money. He entered the car and counted. Then a camera was sitting there. So he didn't see. That's why I said, listen, we really have to be careful how we are analyzing. Look at the video. He didn't stand openly and then started counting that. He entered the car. The car is his private space. That car is not a public space. Within the car is his private space, right? And he didn't invite people in. It's a grada. That's patients, what they call patients, right?
Yes. Salifu says that so Salapa's own was found at Independence Square B who free like you. Alex Asare said Martin Kpebu will defend everything NDC. Your mouth is full. Oh, Kpebu. Mark says that hypocrisy at play, always doing their paymaster's bidding. Nene Sowu Wayo Tete says that this is how cheap Kpebu has become. They were all hungry and needed a politician to line their pockets. Nabil says that madness and very incompetent defense. Nana Kwejo Dankwa says that he thinks he was making sense. He full pass Sami Jemfi cry. Awana Kubana says that when they are called to the bar, they think they are wiser than we, the pocket lawyers, because same kwa. New fresh says that this Kpebu guy is a hypocrite. Imagine if this was Akufo-Addo's appointee that did this. Massa, don't shift the goalpost. Giver Bad says that, but she said that her own at the Independence Square, right? Can't believe a lawyer's pew research hogwash. Amagana says that, I always say that not everyone on TV gets sense. Oh, most of them are. Just that the school set makes them look something kakra. They know nothing, very empty-headed, and they are the reason why we are where we are today, especially TV3 panelists. TV3 is with stray bullet for home. Asar Rebona says that, hypocrisy, why can't you get an NDC card? So, those were some of the comments that have come in reaction to lawyer Martin Kpebu. Now, if you are still surprised, let me just give you a gist, okay? If you are still surprised about why people like this will be making some of the comments, appointment bebre wo why enyam bayo. Mude muni. Appointment bebre wo. Say you remember Dafiamekpo told us the president has the power to make over 8,000 appointments. Enya agro na no deal. Enya agro. Share. Now, the agenda is to remove first the Chief Justice. Because it's when the Chief Justice is there that people will have confidence to challenge decisions that are made. Yeah, Chief Justice no free wa. Next in line, Electoral Commissioner, Jean Mensa. After removing Madam Jean Mensa, next in line is going to be Special Prosecutor. As for nuclear DA, support. So, Jean Mensa and free wa. Next in line is Special Prosecutor. Such Special Prosecutor portfolio, no? A lot of people in the NDC are suggesting, say, yen fanko reward lawyer Martin Kpebu. Esan say ninia Prof Jampo anye shikra ya mano appointment as I think CEO yes Ghana Shippers Authority. They say oni Robocock na edi massage no. And the go for bebre say it will be unfair. Ejuma bebre Martin Kpebu here for aban no. Yen mano special prosecutor because him say now we can confidently say that position free. Because so far the people we've had as special prosecutors so he's still waiting for his appointment, and we are also waiting for his appointment because Papa no abojuma NDC. So this has been a political round with me, the voice right on Ghana TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.